Unknowingly you follow them. As usual, you complete your run.
Hi, this is my wife Chinmayi.
And this is my husband Shri.
If this is your first time here and it's your passion to be extremely fit, happy and you want to live long, then remember to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Why doesn't meditation work for some people? What are the common pitfalls and how to fix them? Let's address these things in today's video. I will share 3 important tips in this video so that we don't get trapped in this situation. So do watch till the end. Imagine a big park with many entrance gates. And you parked your car near one entrance and you started your morning jog. Remember, you must develop the habit of running. On the way, you saw a couple arguing. Unknowingly, you followed them. As usual, you complete your run. You were supposed to be reaching back at the gate where you parked your car, but you ended up somewhere else. Why did this happen? Because we were not aware, isn't it? Actually, if you look at your fitness watch, you will notice that you have completed your run well and you spent enough number of calories, pace was okay, everything okay, but you missed the point. Same thing can happen with meditations. You may be meditating for 10, 20 or more minutes and your mission is to observe your breath or observe your body or even the mind. But after few seconds, mind takes you completely away and you complete your meditation forgetting the mission that you had at start. Are you getting the point? This can become a habit. We meditate for even an hour, daydreaming, scheming, planning, doing all kinds of very important things, but with our eyes closed. We become masters in daydreaming and we call it meditation. Of course, meditation is something extremely relaxing, but you need to be diligent to ensure sufficient level of awareness. World has changed so much. Meditation is no longer a taboo. There are hundreds of different ways we can meditate. Videos on meditation ranging from 10 minutes to an hour long meditations like the Vipassana. My Guru Sri Sri Ravi Shankar also has amazing collection of meditations. I will share some links. We are not going to discuss meditations here. We are only going to discuss the common pitfall we get trapped into. If our meditation is on breath observation, we begin with eyes closed and start observing our breath. Very soon we get carried away, isn't it? Daydreams will take us far away. As soon as you realize that you are daydreaming, bring our mind back, not getting carried away with the dream. It's a delicate art. I would also like to relate this to my marathon runs. Running 10K or half marathon is something which we can do with regular practice. But running a full marathon will need careful planning and execution. We need to know what speed we will run at different stages in the marathon. We need to know how we will address the uphills and downhills, etc. But during the race day, there are thousands of people who are running with you. They will tempt you to run faster. All these people could be having different speeds. It becomes very difficult to stick to your strategy, your plan. And moment you deviate from your strategy, it is unlikely that you complete the run. In the same way, during meditation, we need to cultivate the ability to keep that gentle awareness throughout so that we don't get carried away. Here are my personal tips on how to avoid this. My first recommendation is keep the duration small so that you can maintain this quality throughout the meditation. So maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And then slowly build up to 20 or more minutes so that the habit of daydreaming is addressed well. One of the definitions Maharshi Patanjali has given for yoga is chitta vritti nirodha, which means yoga is to reduce or stop the fluctuations of mind. So yoga helps. My second recommendation is include yoga and breathing exercises or pranayam before you begin your meditation. That will improve the quality of your awareness as mind begins to settle down. My Guru Sri Sri has designed the Art of Living breath and meditation workshops which takes you to this state beautifully. And meditation meditations become more and more natural after that. When the fluctuations of our mind subsides, we become one with everything. That is all. That is such diligent, regular, clever practice will improve the probability of you slipping into something called the zone. Having a master increases the probability, like how my master helped me in my 20-year-long meditation journey. And of course, I'll provide some links to meditations. To summarize, understand the meditation that you are doing and don't allow your mind to completely carry you away. You can bring your awareness back to the process repeatedly with perseverance. Wish you all the best with your meditation. To access more such life-transforming, inspirational videos for extreme fitness, happiness and long life, click the links on this page. And remember to share, subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And thanks so much for watching and look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.